When you wake up in the morning, I want you to ask yourself this question. What is going to make today transformational for me?
There's 10 Sotheby's franchises here in New Jersey. Over 1,500 local real estate advisors available to help you with your real estate related goals here in New Jersey. Today we're here at a statewide event for Sotheby's colleagues, networking and collaborating on how to better serve our clients. I can connect you with a Sotheby's colleague everywhere in New Jersey. Contact me. I'm happy to help.